Good morning, students. Today in this video, I am going to discuss the four specialized agencies of United Nations. These specialized agencies are added by the updation of the syllabus according to the new syllabus that is come for 2020-21. These special agencies are UNESCO, UNICEF, ILO, and WHO. First of all, we will discuss about UNESCO. Full form of UNESCO is the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Students, it was established on 4th November 1946. UNESCO has 193 member states and 11 associate members. Its headquarters is in Paris, that is in France. UNESCO is a special body of the United Nations whose main objective is to promote education, natural science, society and anthropology, culture and communication. During past several years, the special work done by UNESCO has been to promote literacy, technical and educational training, and independent media all across its member nations. UNESCO also encourages an exchange of technology between countries and international cooperation between artists, scientists, and scholars. Students, I have added one more point for you. It must be clear to you that the USA and Israel officially quit the UNESCO with the close of 2018. These two countries had announced their decision in 2017 of withdrawing from the agency, accusing it of bias against Israel. Next specialized agency of UNO is UNICEF. The UNICEF has headquarters in New York. The United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. This is the full form of UNICEF. It was established on 11 December 1946 by the United Nations General Assembly. Its main task was to collect emergency funds for children and to help in their development work all across the world. It provides medical aid and medicines to fight disease, especially in the underdeveloped countries of the world. It also tries to solve the problems of child labor. Students, you must know that a large portion of its funds comes through the sale of greeting cards. And UNICEF has been working successfully in almost all 193 countries of the world. Next specialized agency of UNO is ILO, International Labour Organization. ILO was founded in October 1919. The ILO has 187 member countries and its headquarters is in Geneva in Switzerland. In 1969, the ILO received the Nobel Peace Prize for improving fraternity and peace among nations, pursuing decent work and justice for workers, and providing technical assistance to other developing nations. ILO is a body of the United Nations which aims to promote efficient conditions of social justice and work for workers through international labor standards at the global level. In addition, there is an incentive for women and male workers to engage in productive work and to create safety, parity, means equality, and self-respectful conditions for them at the workplace. Next agency of UNO is WHO. The WHO is a specialized agency of the United Nations responsible for international public health. The World Health Organization was established on 7th April 1948, which is observed as the World Health Day. The headquarters of the WHO is in Geneva. The main purpose of the WHO is to improve the standard of health all over the world. It also believes that good health is a fundamental right of every human being. Students, the WHO helps countries to strengthen their health systems It helps them by giving important medicines. It also helps to provide safe drinking water and adequate sanitation to everybody. It has organized the international drinking water supply and sanitation decade from 1981 to 1990. Students, after the discussion on the specialized agencies of UNO, I just want to clear one thing to all of you, that these agencies are very important for 2 as well as for 4 marks question. Along with this, learn the full form of the agencies as these are very important for 1 mark questions. Rest of the chapter I have already explained you in my previous video. So after the completion of this chapter, in my next video I will explain you the new contents from the chapter The End of Bipolarity, the Arab Spring, Middle East Crisis, War of Afghanistan, and CIS, Commonwealth of Independent States, as these contents are added by the updation of the syllabus according to the new syllabus that will come for 2020 and 21.